Hey friends, where are my short-haired wig sisters at? I have a short, budget-friendly wig to show you today. This is Angled Pixie by TressAllure in the color 10R. Short, low density, no real Permatease. Maybe the tiniest bit right here, but not poofy, pillowy Permatease. Fun styling options. If you'd like to know more, stick around. I would like to thank Name Brand Wigs for sending me Angled Pixie to show all of you. They are a wonderful online retailer. I partner with them an awful lot to bring you tons of styles so that you have options and so that you know what you're getting yourself into if you make a purchase. I'll put some details in the description below and a link and a coupon code that will save you 30%, which will make this wig under $100, which I consider budget friendly. Let's take a look at this one from all sides. Now this one has a 2.5-inch nape. I think this is going to be a nape that will work for a lot of people, whether or not you have a low hairline. You can see how there's these wispies down low. Really gives good coverage in the back. So if you have a low hairline and you've struggled with shorter wigs showing your hairline, I think this is going to be okay, and it's worth trying for sure. Now, like I said, it is a low density piece with little to no Permatease, so it's very flat to the head. There isn't really any volume on this piece at all. It has a very low profile. I do love taking textured cut wigs like this and messing them up, getting some pieciness in them. I like to use 𝘠𝘬𝘢 Peace Out cream. I actually have a video showing how I style short wigs with that cream. I also love wearing short styles like this with headbands. I show that a lot, and I will tell you guys that one of the ways that I got used to wearing short styles was by styling them with headbands. So early on in my wig wearing journey, once I got through the worst part of it, I started to really want to branch out and try different lengths, different styles, and I wanted to try short wigs, but I struggled with them. I just didn't have short hair myself, and I really struggled. But once I learned how to style them with styling cream, with clips, with headbands, that made all the difference, and now I absolutely love short wigs. So don't forget to style your wigs if you're struggling with them, or even if you're not, just to change up your look. Now, I'd shared in the beginning that this is a budget-friendly wig, and part of the reason is because it's got a basic cap, otherwise known as a machine-made cap. So let me show you the inside of this wig. It has no lace front, no monofilament, all machine-made. That does keep the price point down. And because this is such a short style and the layered cut, I don't really miss the monofilament on top because you can't really see any Permatease, you can't really see the cap. I think you'd be spending a lot of money on monofilament that you really can't see. This does have somewhat of a full bang. It is a little long for me, and when I pull it down where it should be, it kind of hangs in my eyes. I always trim the bangs up on wigs like this, and I have a video showing you how to take a thinning razor to trim it up, and I will make sure that's linked in the description below. Otherwise, it's just a shake and go. Just throw it on your head and out the door you go. Now, this piece is made with heat-friendly fibers, which is actually my preference on a short piece. You don't have the shine that you can get with regular synthetic, and they feel so much like hair. It feels super soft, light, wispy hair. It does feel very, very realistic to me. I absolutely love heat-friendly fibers, especially TressAllure heat-friendly fibers. You're not going to have any special care needs with this one because it's not long enough to rub up on your clothing. So don't be afraid of heat-friendly fibers on short wigs, no matter what you've heard about them. All of those issues, such as friction and fraying, is not an issue with a short piece like this. I love it, and it is my preference. Let's talk about color. 10R. This is just a gorgeous neutral medium brown. There is no visible highlighting, no red, no rooting. It is just a gorgeous neutral medium brown. We'll get outside so you can see this color outside. But if you are looking for, you don't like light brown, you don't like super dark brown, you don't want to look like you've gone to a salon and had your hair done, this is the color for you. Beautiful. Not overly warm, not cool, just really neutral. Great little pixie. I love this wig. I think it's fun. It's got styling potential. It's a shake and go. It'll be cool in the summer. It'll be great with turtlenecks and scarves in the winter. Just a really versatile piece at a really great price. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you guys in my next video. Friends, here we go. Please keep in mind the sun is really warm this year because of the angle and where I live. So it's gonna warm up every color a little bit. And that's important to note. The color of the light that you're under is going to change the color of the hair. It's just the way that it works. That's how color plays off of light. All right, have a great day. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.